Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Ismay, and today's video is a bit different of what you're used to from me. I will be trying to make resin crochet hooks. So this is my very first time making resin crochet hooks, and I've seen other people make it. And I'm like, why not? Why not give it a try? My business is running a bit slow right now, so I have some time on my hands. So I bought these silicone crochet molds on Amazon, and I'm getting started with my very first crochet hook. So for this crochet hook, I had some rose gold foils from doing my acrylic nails, so I still had them laying around, so I was like, this is the best time to be using them right now. So that is what I am trying to do. So right now I am mixing my A and B epoxy. I've not done enough research in my epoxies, so this is a 40-minute work time, no low odor, crystal clear, self-leavening, resist yellowing. So in general, it's quite okay. But you also have like UV hardened ones, and I don't know. So this one takes about 24 hours to dry, and it's taking 24 hours is a really long time when you start a new craft. So now I'm just stirring it slowly. This is like 4x speed, I believe, but I'm just stirring it slowly not to create any bubbles for 5 minutes, because that's what the instructions said. So I'm just trying to mix it and now tapping like the bubbles out, because I still got bubbles, and I'll show you in a second what it looks like. See, that's the normal speed. So 5 minutes has been up, and see I still have some bubbles, which is, I don't know, okay for my first time. Just tapping some bubbles out and letting it sit now for 2 minutes, because that's also what the instructions said. And I've also read you can either spray some alcohol on top of your resin work, or put a candle, and I need a candle, a lighter over your finished work. So as you will see, I did use the lighter, but I don't know, for the first two or so I didn't really see that it was working. But I've made a couple of more and I've used it, and I've definitely seen it work. So, but be careful, because I have a plastic bag as a surface area and a lighter. They're not the greatest idea that you can have, so just be careful. This is not advice I'm giving you, this is what I've done. I would do it differently, but this is all I have at the moment, and I don't want to start off buying things to then, give up in a week, for example. So now I'm just grabbing my stuff and mixing my rose gold foils in my resin. So I've seen videos that they just put like this whole chunk in there, and these gloves keep falling off. They're like small gloves from the shops, but I guess my hands are like XS, extra small. But coming back to the foil, so they just added the foil in the cup and then mixed it, and it broke down. And it's a good idea. It breaks down, but not completely. So that was kind of my fault. I had really big chunks still. And if you want to make like a 3mm crochet hook, that's kind of on the very big chunk size. So I don't know what I'll do next time. I have no idea. But how now with the small ones, because I use the pipette, so the pipette isn't able to grab onto the big chunky pieces of foil. So the tip of most of my crochet hooks are clear with like a tiny bit of speckles. But then the main body is filled with foil, which is nice, but I don't know if it's what I want at the moment. I have no idea. I'm just trying everything out and see what I want, see what I like. And yeah, if I'm satisfied with the hooks, I am just planning for now on gifting it to some family and friends. And maybe I'll see if I can put it on my Etsy shop. Let me know if you would like to have a pair, like a set of crochet hook, then I can also see if it's logical to put it on my Etsy shop. If there's no interest in it, then I won't. But if there's interest, please let me know. It will really help me out. So now you see that I'm struggling to get the resin in the pipette. And I'm just using the ice cream stick to get it in the mold. And I also want to note for the people who know how to work with epoxy, I've had a door and a window open the entire time I was busy with this epoxy. So I had a very well ventilated room. Next time I will use a mask and maybe even some like eye protectors, like glasses, because I realize I come very close to my work, and then like I don't know, because yesterday I was also slicing some onions, so I don't know if my eyes were burning from the onions or because I was busy with the epoxy. But just to not cause myself any more damage or any damage in the future, I'll just be wearing some glasses. So here you see I'm going over it with the lighter, almost burning the plastic, just to get some of the surface air bubbles out. So what I've learned after I've done this set is that not all the bubbles came out. So what is also a good idea to let it set for like 30 minutes or so, and then come back and go over it with the lighter again so that you get majority of the bubbles out. So I've started this on Tuesday. At the moment, the day of this voiceover is Thursday, and you will be seeing this on Friday. So in the meantime, I've already made two other sets. One is like a purple glitter, and the other one is like a holographic glitter. So it's clear, but then with all these glitter pieces in it. I still have some other forms coming and some like clay bits and pieces so that I can go in the crochet hook, which would also be really nice. So you have like fruit themed or a different theme crochet hook. And then what I still need to do is I don't have any like acrylic paints, or I don't know if it's only possible with acrylic paint, but I need to do some more research in that, because the number of the hook size is not visible. It's not properly visible. Like there's an indent. So what I've seen people do is grab acrylic paint, go over it and let it dry. But I don't have acrylic paint, so either I need to run to the shops to buy acrylic paint, or have something else. I don't know. If you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments, because that will also help me out. And then I will still leave you until the next video that you'll see from me. At the end of the video, I will still pop in a little clip of what they look like at the moment. I haven't taken them out of the mold. They haven't been filed or anything yet, so I also need to do that and figure out how to do that. And then I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and leave your tips and tricks and ideas in the comment below, because it really helps out my channel. And then I'll see you next time. Bye!